Alrighty then people, it's Christmas Eve. I'm out in the garden. I need to track down that last part of my Christmas dinner. I need to be quite quiet because I don't want to scare it off. Now, I've come down to this bed in the garden. Let's see what's hiding. I'm just going to pull away the undergrowth. I'm just going to have to get stuck in. What's in here? Let's see. Let's pull. What have I got? Oh man. It's a Gladiator. Parsnip. There's one. How many others have I got? I get my head right down. It's getting deep. Let's pull. Loosen him out. Oh, these are looking good. These have been growing all year since the summer. Gonna get right down deep. There's loads of them in here. They're looking nice. Just tasty, organically grown. You can't beat it. I've just got to have a real feel. Some are bigger than others. Oh, this feels good. Let's see. Ooh, looking good. Let's get a few more. This is going to be for my Christmas dinner tomorrow. Oh, that feels good. That's a bigger one. Here we go. Look at that. So, there you go. Gladiator parsnips for Christmas dinner.